Hey guys, Tyler here. What's going on? Well, Speedweeks is over. We had two truck races, one Friday and one Saturday. You're about to watch the Friday race. That's the only footage I got, and it's missing the last 5 laps because the GoPro fell over at the end. But Friday, so in this race, we start 15th. We didn't have a very strong qualifying effort, but that's okay. We'll fix it in the future. But we started 15th out of 22 trucks, made it to 11th after having motor problems. Might have done a little better if we didn't have those problems on the last restart, but they happen. Then on Saturday, we started toward the back. There was 18 cars left over for the next day. We finished 12th after I hit the wall. Stupid move on my part, but there's the proof right there. Killed it. We were gonna go back out after I hit the wall, but the sway bar was broken, so not much you could do. But hope you guys enjoy the video. I got to thank Hawk Performance Brakes, as always, the brake pad technology of champions. And I also have to thank one of my new sponsors, Racelife Apparel Company. They sell all kinds of hoodies, t-shirts, all things to do with racing. You got to go check them out at racelifeapparelcompany.com. Thank you again for watching, and thank you, Brian, for letting me drive the number 15 Chevy Silverado. Thank you again for surprising me with the number 15. I really do appreciate the opportunity, as always. Here's some pictures of the truck real quick with the new numbers. Thank you, Ronnie Bacelo at Signfast. I also have to thank Racecar Solutions, Moore Amsoil, and Throwback Brand hats. Again, I'd like to apologize that we lost the last 5 laps when the GoPro fell, but the handling on the truck was starting to go away anyways. It was really loose. Even on Saturday, it was really loose toward the end of the feature. We got some work to do, but we'll get it fixed. Thank you for watching.